I want to say that I am a hopeless romantic. I love everything about love. I love the process. I love the discovery, the exploring. I love being thoughtful. I just love everything about it. But I do believe that this idea of happily ever after is misleading, and I think that there should be a class in high school that puts some reality glasses on us, so as we grow up, we are not shattered, and we are uh, able to see love through more of a realistic lens, and we know what it takes to build something instead of this idea of just seeing someone across the room, and the person's quote unquote the one, and then um, it's very misleading, because here's the thing. First of all, think about this.